In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate delivery in WooCommerce. By the end, you'll have delivery connected to your store so you can generate rates and streamline shipping right from your WordPress dashboard. We'll start on the delivery website. Open the site in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, head to your dashboard and locate the section for API access or developer settings. You're looking for your API key. This key is what allows WooCommerce to talk securely to delivery, so treat it like a password. Copy the key carefully and make sure there are no extra spaces before or after it. If you see options for different environments, choose the one that matches how you'll use it and keep your key private. Next, switch over to your WordPress admin area. From the left-hand menu, click Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type delhivery. Find the official delhivery plugin or the one you trust after checking the details and reviews. Click Install Now, then Activate. Activation turns the plugin on so WooCommerce can integrate with delivery behind the scenes. With the plugin active, go to WooCommerce in the left menu and click Settings. Open the Shipping tab. Here's where the delivery integration typically appears. Look for the delivery settings or method and open it. You should see a field labeled API key or something similar. Paste the API key you copied from your delivery dashboard into that field. Double-check for stray spaces and ensure the entire key is included. When you're done, click Save Changes. Saving confirms the connection and lets WooCommerce start using delivery for shipping calculations and bookings. At this point, your integration should be live. If you don't immediately see delivery rates at checkout, clear your site and browser cache and refresh. Make sure WooCommerce is up to date and confirm that the plugin you installed is compatible with your version of WordPress and WooCommerce. If there's still an issue, revisit the key you pasted and confirm it's valid and active in your delivery dashboard. A quick recap. You logged into delivery and copied your API key, installed and activated the delivery plugin in WordPress, then went into WooCommerce settings, opened the shipping tab, and pasted the key in the delivery section before saving. That's all it takes to connect delivery with your WooCommerce store. Save your changes, keep your key secure, and you're ready to ship.